Hello guys, welcome to one more episode from Nature Life in Finland. The today video I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna try for the first time fish boating, but it's really exciting because I'm going out for my comfort zone because I never tried like before alone, you know. I have some friends that have another fishing boat. I have like just try like for 5 minutes in the open sea, but today I'm gonna do everything alone, science from the take the boat from my garden, put in the car, put in the sea, put the motor on, drive along around a bit, put back and the trailer close to the car and bring home, you know. It's like the test because it's kind of the thing I'm gonna do during whole summer. Today is a bit excited because I'm totally alone, my kids in the school, my wife in the work. When they come, we're gonna try again, but I like to kind this like practice beforehand, you know, before we go with whole family. I'm gonna go and show you guys here the boat on the sea for the first time. It's a new thing for me, you know. For example, like if you can say when you start drive, you get your driving license, start drive car for the first time, even like you have a small practice before, but when you're alone, like you can be a bit nervous. And today will not be different. Gasoline, rope, more rope, navigator and tablet, and on support for my drink. Before you go, I'm gonna try to put like this cup place here. It's like that I can put some drink or something when I'm gonna try like just with this tape, you know. Let's see if it work well. I'm gonna put some stuff like red in the boat, ropes, the life jacket, the tablet, the navigator. I just checked the tank. Yes, have enough gasoline, but always good to have extra gasoline. Actually, I was forget one thing really important that I'm gonna take now. The oars. Because if something happens, I can row home. Something that I have been learned that I cannot forget, that I usually put already here home because I live really close to the sea, is like the motor have to be up there, because when it slide down from the trail to the sea, if you like it's down, this can touch the cement like from the platform and can damage your motor. So I put already up. So everything okay, every stuff is on the boat already on the trailer. But when you like alone and make video and at the same time try something for the first time, it take you like a lot of concentration, energy, so I need some energy before we start. The trailer there is behind, I think you guys can see. Let's start, boys. let's see if I remember the things I have to do when I gonna put on. Okay, like this is the neutral here and the key. Like in the first time I have now to put like the motor down. This is like just a small test, you know. It's look like everything work fine. I have just a small mistake when I put on. I forget to lift this line. Then the motor didn't want to work, but now it looks like everything okay. I'll just try to go like a bit forward, then I'm gonna come back, you know, and try to go with the family in the afternoon. First time alone, like the boat. At the moment everything okay. Then the next thing I'm gonna try is like try to put the boat back to the trailer. And guys, one fear was broken today, you know, because like we have to go out from your comfort zone and try to do the things for yourself. It's only like this your fear gonna go out. Today I put the boat in the sea, I drive it a bit, and I come back and put again here, okay? Hello guys, now is everything okay? I went to the sea, drive the boat, I put the boat to the sea, I take the boat outside from the sea, and then I bring home. That's it. Now is the time when my family come. I have like a bit experience already because I did alone. Now, of course, when the boys, my wife come to me, they can help also, but I could manage just myself because I was like worried about that I could not do, but I did. So then you get like a bit confidence, you know. It's like I told in the beginning of the video, like when you get your drive license, start drive car, in the beginning you don't have a lot of confidence, but after this, when you start to get the confidence, it become like just one normal thing for you, okay? Subscribe to the channel Nature Life Finland.